I didn't think this would be burning. Ooh. That's burning. Ooh. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing another video on a skincare product that it did take me a long time to get hold of it. It's always been out of stock, and finally I managed to get hold of it. And the product we'll be reviewing, it is, drums please, dun dun dun, it's the Ordinary Healing Solution, which is over there. Finally, I just couldn't wait to get hold of this product and to do a review in it. So without further ado, let's start on this video. Well, of course, before I start using the peeling solution, I will have to be using my beautiful headband, again with a bow, and it's like a creamy white colour. So I thought I'm going to try this one. It's the same like the other one, but just like a different colour one. So let's do this. Like a white bunny. There we go. So here it is. Can't wait to try this. This is how it looks like. Ooh, look at that. It's like bright red and very gooey, watery, runny, exciting. So let's read the instructions so I make sure I'm doing the right thing. So on here it says you need to make sure you have a clean face, wait for it to dry, do not use on wet skin, apply evenly across the face and neck using fingertips. Not sure about this, I'm definitely going to create a mess. And then rinse with lukewarm water, and do not use on sensitive skin. It's really important, guys, because if you are sensitive, then this is not going to work for you. So let's try. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Ooh, look at that. I know I'm going to create a mess. Oh. Need to make sure I'm watching the time because I don't want to cause any skin irritation. Ooh, you know what? It doesn't even feel watery, and it's not runny as I thought it would be by looking at the products. But it actually feels like it's oil. It's like I've got blood on my face. It actually feels really nice. I need to put a bit more. Now I heard a lot of, I don't say if it's negative, but if you are sensitive, apparently you will be feeling a tingling, burning sensation. And I actually can start feeling it now. I feel like I'm not putting enough on my face. It's causing a mess. Ooh. Well, you may not be putting too much on, but ooh, I feel the burning sensation. I can feel it. Apparently, it's normal for it to burn. so I'm going to be waiting for 10 minutes. Hopefully it's not going to burn even more, so we see. So guys, I thought I'd show you how it looks like before I'm going to wash it off. This is the result of drying up, almost there. Now it looks like proper blood. There you go. Wow, don't tell, it looks scary. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my face with warm luke water and then I'll be right back. OMG, I can't believe how good my skin feels right now. Now I did wait for 10 minutes and my skin feels like it's just been plumped up. You can see the shyness around here. Obviously you can't see it properly on the camera. Now, the only negative side of it is I've got a bit of redness underneath there, but it seems like it's starting to disappear because it was a little bit more brighter before and I had a little bit of redness there. Now, it's brought out my spots even more redder, so it didn't show this much before, and then this spot over here. So apart from that, the burning sensation, it was alright. I thought it was going to burn so much, so I'm really happy it didn't because I was so scared. So I'm so happy with that it didn't burn. In the 10 minutes it just burned a little bit. It was like a little tingling sensation, and after that it was absolutely fine. Now with this product there are benefits. It's got so many acids type in it. So it has AHA 30% and BHA 2%. So it has the alpha hydroxy acid, the glycolic acid, the lactic, the tartaric, and then it has the beta hydroxy. It has so many acids in there. Also it has the black carrot and the Tasmanian pepperberry, which that's what makes the product red, not really bright red, so it makes sense why you can see the colour very strong. Also says use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. So it's really important that you are following the instructions on this product. Now, it has a lot of benefits. With all those acids combined and mixed together, it helps your skin feels better. So with the reviews it says it makes it look brighter, it helps with your pigmentation. Now also mentioned about milia, I'm sure I am pronouncing it properly. Now I do have one over here, I don't know if you can see it, I have one over there. It's been there for a while, so I really hope that this product will help removing it, which it says it does. So I will be using this product into my weekly skin routine, and hopefully I will do an update review, see if it actually works. So I am really excited. I'm really happy I got this product because it did take me a long time to get hold of it. It's always been out of stock, and then I understand why it is, because it's really good. Now for my first impression using it so far, it's a good tick for that. So overall I am happy, and guys, that is the end of the video. So I really hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to put a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the link below. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.